Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Learn With Me. In this video, we are going to see what is meant by a programming language. We know that people communicate with each other using different languages. Say English, say Hindi, say Arabic and many other languages. Similarly, if we want to communicate with the computer, we require some language. All those languages using which we can communicate with the computer are termed as programming languages. A programming language is a computer language. This language is being used by the programmers or the software developers. The programmers or the software developers use the programming language to develop the softwares or scripts or instructions which can be executed by the computer. Therefore, we can define a programming language as follows. A programming language is a computer language programmers use to develop software programs, scripts, or other set of instructions for the computers to execute. At the top, you can see a few examples of programming languages. Along with this, you must also remember that a programming language is an artificial language using which we can communicate instructions to the computers. A programming language is used to create programs, and these programs control the behavior of various machines. Hope you understood what is meant by a programming language. If you think so, and if I have simplified learning for you, do like my video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you, and always remember that practice makes things perfect.